How to use Creative Studio in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26. Creative Studio is an AI-powered creation tool inside Samsung's One UI 8.5 that lets you create stickers, wallpapers, greeting cards, turn sketches or photos into art, generate images using text prompts, customize and share your creations easily. How to access Creative Studio on any Samsung One UI 8.5. Open the app drawer and tap Creative Studio. Using this feature, you can use Galaxy AI to generate images, stickers, greeting cards, invitations, or other content using text prompts. Tap Create Image icon in the bottom right corner. You can see several customization settings like image size in the top right corner, sketch image, select photo from image, select the photo style like childhood sketch, marker drawing, webtoon, Instatoon, pop art, watercolor, 3D cartoon, etc. Enter the text in the box you want to create an image and tap Generate. It will take 30 to 40 seconds to generate image to your Samsung phone. Tap View Prompt to edit image style, prompt, etc. Tap on decoration icon in the AI-generated image to add sticker, text, and any photo from gallery. Tap Done in the top right corner to save it. You can download or share with your friends on social media. Tap the download arrow icon and you can save this AI-generate image in gallery, as sticker, or set as wallpaper to your Samsung Galaxy. You can see all your created images in the Project section. Open the Creative Studio app and tap 3 vertical dot in the top right corner. Tap Projects. View all your AI-generated images. That's all. Thank you for watching.